Okay, I got all the interior LED lights done. I still got to run the fiber optic lights. Maybe I'll mess with those in a little bit later when it gets more dark. I can see them better. Those ones will go in the crack between the panels. But I got a set of lights in the trunk. I'll do a video at night too, so you can see it better at night. So it shows. I think I'll pretty much keep these lights white. I believe I'll probably keep the underglow white. It's like not really a white. It's got a little bit of a blue tint to it. Probably what I'll rock with. Be a set in there just to light up at night. I'll do blue wheel lights. Inside I didn't go crazy. I just did some LEDs under the seats. I did some LEDs underneath the fifth wheel. I'll keep the blue wheel well lights for shows. I'll have it's lighted behind the grill, so at night that will show up white because it will work all off the same lights as the engine bay and all the way through. Got my new display placards, how they'll be set up. Sadly, I can't move the car because the wheel's still at the shop. I'm probably thinking about getting some lights up underneath the intercooler and the oil and trans coolers. I got to get a couple more harnesses for that. I got the lights, I just don't have the harnesses. I ran out. Okay. You can go crazy with the LEDs in the inside. Just some accent lighting basically. My beautiful intercooler piping. It's my shout out board. These are all the companies that have actually helped me out with the build. So we got Performance Muffler. They did my turbo back 3 inches. Got Preet there with his Armin Customs, I guess it's called. He did all the wrapping. High depth. Gilbert does most of my photo stuff. He does all my placards, and he's done several pictures and everything for my car as well. But he's basically my print guy. He does all my stuff. He makes my visions come to life. Here's my sponsorship by XKGlow, Valley Spring Service. They did the coilovers for me. Gorilla Splitters got me a one-off kit. PJ Media, he does a lot of pictures for me as well. All the pictures on my placards are actually his from different shoots I've done when I've gone to Vegas. Automotive Custom Lighting, they did the wheel lights and they installed the badass custom halos, one-offs. So Japanese Classics, that's where I actually purchased the vehicle. And Wheel Fix It Customs Coatings, they did all my powder coating on my original wheels, and shortly after a couple more shows I'm going to get some engine bay parts over to them to powder coat, and eventually I'm going to redo my wheels, powder coat them to be really close match to my wrap. And then Felt Not Heard Productions, they are producing a video right now, which oddly enough the vehicle has changed a lot while the video is in production, so got to catch up on that. And Junction Produce, TT, he's the go-to guy if you want some VIP accessories. He's hooked me up some good prices, super fast shipping. So car's a little bit of a mess since I've been working on it, but really happy. Hopefully this wheel comes back soon. Here's a chance to check out the wheel lights so you can see the way the construction is on these. The wheel light LEDs are actually inside the channel. So other companies, they're usually forward facing, so this black channel would be the LEDs. I think personally when a problem with that is when LED goes out, or if it's out of, you know, it's not circle anymore, it kind of gets out of shape. It's really obvious. Where these, it's in the channel. One, they're protected a little bit more. Getting my wheels in and out is a real pain. And it's really sturdy. I mean, it's solid. So Dave and those guys down there at Automotive Custom Lighting did an awesome job installing them. So I really recommend XKGlow. Not just because they sponsored me, but I actually purchased them beforehand and loved them, and that's why I went after the sponsorship, because I really like their product. And I am super stoked that they chose me, and now I've installed all this LED lighting courtesy of them. There we go.